Okay, a mystery particle. Mystery particles, if you zoom way in on them, they got like a little question mark on them, right? It's traveling 2.96 times 10 to the 6 meters per second at a 1.21 Tesla magnetic field out of this page. All right, so we can now figure out what charge it is, because if it's going clockwise, here's all. It takes a while to make a magnetic field, right? So if this particle, this mystery particle, let's draw it going down the page like this, right? If it's going that way, the force on it, it's going, it's definitely revolving clockwise. So that means that it's turning right. So for this particle, that's the magnetic force, right? All right, because that would make it go clockwise. It would go, assuming the magnetic field, right? It would turn around and around. It would definitely go clockwise. So we know that this must be a positive charge. That's because I'm sticking my index finger down the page, my middle finger's out of the page, and I get my thumb pointing to the left, like that. Okay, so I know it's a positive charge. Right, and then we want to know the magnitude of the charge. And so what we do is we say that the magnetic force, QVB, is equal to mv squared over r. Right, and then what are we solving for? Oh, the charge, okay. So Q is mv squared over r divided by VB. Right, so one of the V's goes away, and we end up with mv over rb. Right, so let's plug those numbers in. Q is mass, there's our mass, 6.69. I'm just using this formula right here. Times V, which is 2.96 over R, 5.11 times 10 to the minus 2. And then B, where's B? B. Oh, there, 1.21. All right, we got it. This dog's gonna hunt. 6.69 E minus 27 times 2.96 E6 divided by 5.11 E minus 2 divided by 1.21. And we get the charge is 3.20 times 10 to the minus 19th coulombs, which, if you're paying careful attention here, this is something that has a charge of 2 plus, right? And this mass, I know that this is actually an alpha particle, which is 2 protons, 2 neutrons. Anyway, there you go. So it's a positive charge. The charge is positive 3.2. I knew that it was that it was a positive charge because it acts that way, right? When its velocity is down the page, the force is to the right, in and out of the field out of the page magnetic field. Alrighty.